In my last video, I did a review of a calzone from the local grocery store called Meijer. And I did get comments saying it doesn't look like your traditional calzone. And if you ask me, it looked more like a stromboli. Stromboli is kind of like, more like rolled up like a burrito in some ways. A calzone is like a big giant empanada, or looks kind of like a taco in a way.
You're watching the Calzone By Detmurds channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
So yesterday, I made 2 calzones from scratch. And here's one of them, because I already ate one of them. Here is one of them, right here. These calzones are made with 75% hydration dough. And I did use the Meijer pizza flour. And inside I have some Monterey Jack cheese, some pepperoni, and of course some pizza sauce. And let's not forget, I did put some seasoning in there, Italian seasoning and some red chili flakes. Let's cut into this thing and see how it is. The Detmurds calzone. Calzone. I did microwave it for a minute. There we go. Here we go. Now, one might say, wow, Paulie, you didn't put enough in there. You know what? After you get done baking these, that's like hot lava in there. That's probably the reason why calzones ain't as popular as pizza. You gotta wait a long time for them to cool off. Alright. It's 8:30 in the morning. Here I am eating a calzone. Amazing. The little lady says, "This tastes just like pizza." I'm like, very good. Yeah, very good. In the end, I'd probably never make this again because I'd rather have a pizza. But if I had like a leftover beef stew or something like that, I would do like a beef stew calzone. So, you know, you get what I'm saying? If I had some other kind of filling besides the traditional pizza fillings, I would do another calzone using that. I'd just rather have pizza.